So into this video we are going to check out this Smallrig V-mount battery plate right here, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside and what this product here has to offer. Now if you have a V-mount battery and want to mount it on your camera, this is a choice that you guys can choose. So in the package right here we have the V-mount battery plate right here. So as you guys can see, this can extend out a bit, so I can fold it like so. You guys can see this is how it actually look from first hand experience. Now how this actually works is that we have a V-mount plate, and to the back right here we can slide in your batteries. So right here I have the V-mount battery plate. So what I can do right here, you can see I have a V-mount at the back, which is called why it's called a V-mount. So I can slide this right into here. It comes with this as well. So if your camera doesn't already have a cage, you can use this to mount it. So this is like an Arca Swiss which come inside. So as you can see guys, I have my camera right here. So I can just slide my camera onto this section like so, and it's slide right into place right there. And I can go to the bottom section and I can tighten this lever right here, which keep it perfect, which is not gonna slide out into place right there, which is really perfect. And once you do that, you're gonna tighten this section right here for it to stay right in place. So as you can see, I mount up my battery onto my camera, and this is just a nice little plate where you can have a camera to mount your battery on. And I love the fact that onto the bottom section right here we have a Arca Swiss plate. So this is like a peak design plate right here. So if you have any accessories that have a peak design type of quick release plate right here, is on the bottom, so you can just slap that on and just release it quite simple. I love the fact that this is in it right here. And this is also Arca Swiss, so you don't have to worry, you can slide this onto any accessories which have a Arca Swiss plate as well. Now this quick release plate have some stoppers onto the bottom section right there. As you guys can see, we have these little screws. Now all these screws work is that you can install into each of these section right here to stop it from prevent it from running. Same goes for this section right here. As you guys can see, these are some stoppers as well. So once you install them onto this, it will actually stop it and prevent it from sliding off very easily. But because I'm using a cage right now, I'm not really using this plate right here. So once you have like this, you can just pull this little lever right here, and we can use this to, like, if you want to take out your screen, you want to have your screen just come out like this, you can just pull this section right here, and you can put this back into section and tighten it, so you can have your screen out like this, so you can have access to your camera screen even when you're using your camera right here. And also this lever right here, you can pull and we can adjust it, so you can make it a bit long or short, or make it compact just like so, and that's how we have it right there. So you can lock this into place, and now we have a compact system. Now whenever you're not using this screen right here, you can just easily tuck it away like this to prevent it from break or anything like that. So this is just a compact system which you guys can actually use with this V-mount plate right here. Now once I get that out of the way, and I can now power this with a USB Type-C cable. And now you can see guys, I have my camera now plug in, and I have access right now to all of my battery plate right here straight into my camera, so I can get power onto this right here. And also I can use this to rig up my camera to add my monitor and stuff onto this, but it's just a small rig showing you guys this V-mount plate right here. So let me know if you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.